Hi everyone, this is Aman from BDMessenger, and today I'm going to talk you through how to set up a group campaign on BDMessenger platform using LinkedIn's free version and also Sales Navigator, and go through the benefits of using both. So on our software on our platform, you can see on the left hand side it says campaigns. You just simply click that campaign. On the right hand side, you'll see a tab where it says create a campaign. You simply need to click that tab. And what I suggest you do is name your campaign the same name as your group that you're looking to target. So in my case, the group that I was looking to target would be USA, UK, Canada, lead generation, buyers and sellers. All I need to do here is just copy and just bring that name into the software. But you can name it what you like, but in order for you to keep a good memory of what campaigns you're doing and what not, it is best to call it the group campaign. So at the end, I will actually put group also, so it indicates to me that it's a group rather than a connection campaign. And you'd hit the save button. So just to explain a little bit about groups, there's groups on LinkedIn, which would be across various different industries. And what you'll be looking to do is join a group which you would find your ideal client profile. So in my case, it will be anybody who has anything to do with lead generation. So you can see here, I've become a member of a group which is called USA, UK, Canada Lead Generation Buyers and Sellers. So usually you'll see a button here and it will say join. You just click that button to join that group. Sometimes the administrator lets you in automatically, immediately. Sometimes you may have to wait that little bit of time for them to accept you. But in this case, there's 9,000 members in this group. So what I'm able to do is click that button. On the right hand side, you can see it says show all. And sometimes it is good to read the description of the group just to make sure it's something that's relevant to your target audience. So here I would click show all. And as you can see, all the attendees, the members of this group are um, available, and you can see next to them there's a button which says message, and the connection is obviously taken away. So what that means is you're working within LinkedIn's loophole, which is that you're allowed to message as many people within a group as you wish. So there's no limit as opposed to when you're connecting somebody. So it's a great feature to use to get instant reach out. So yeah, you can see a list. There's a list here of 9,000 people. Now, there's out of those 9,000 people, there are going to be a lot of, or a big percentage of people who wouldn't be relevant, i.e., a student. If I scroll further down, game developer, maybe not. So yeah, to target these individuals, all you need to do is copy the URL at the top of the screen, come into the software, use this tab to add or in a group. You simply paste the group URL and you'd hit the save button. And then you get a message to say update successful, which means it's actually found that group. So now you'd go on to configure settings. I always hit the enrich data because that gives you their contact numbers and email addresses. On the left hand side here, you'll see send message from a group. You'd click that button so the software knows that you're going through a group. You would hit the save and continue, and then you would simply start your outreach campaign. And what you can see here is that you don't need to send a connection request. It doesn't allow you to do that. You can send a message and you can't send an email. So the only thing you can do is send a message, which is great. It goes out very, very quickly. And like, as I said, it is unlimited. But the only prefix that you're allowed to use in this is the first name. So you would start your sequence with hello, hi, first name, and obviously build your outreach um, as you wish. So the problem there is you are going to come across a lot of people who are not in your ideal client profile. So what you can actually do is use Sales Navigator to narrow down your target audience. Now, we always recommend to all of our subscribers that you have Sales Navigator, and the simple reason for that is you get many more filters um, on the software, which allows you to simply target or narrow down your target audience much better. So in this case scenario, what we're looking for is a group. And you'll see here there's a tab which is groups. You just need to click the plus button and find the group that you're a member of. Now this is called USA, UK, Canada. It might be wise to reset and clear all the filters. There we go. USA, UK, Canada, lead generation. Wise. If I click that button, it will show the 7.5k plus members in that group, and I know it's the correct group. So all I need to do here now is go to the current job title, and all I'm looking for is directors within this group. So we'll go for director. Also put any other type of director in the search, but you just have to think about what's relevant to yourself. Managing director, director of operations, sales director, and so forth. And you can see the count reducing, but so far there's 804 people who are relevant to yeah, my outreach. So what I need to do here now is go back to the software. This was the previous search that I've done, so I'm just going to save and exit this campaign. Now I'm going to create another campaign. Group filtered, spell that correctly. Now what we're going to do is, instead of going into add all from a group, because we actually used Sales Navigator, we're going to copy and paste the URL from the top of the screen. We're going to bring it into the software. We're going to go to Sales Navigator search, paste in the URL in the search box, press the save button, hit the configure settings, enrich the data as always, and now we're going to send a message from a group. But what it's asking you here now is to enter the group URL. The group URL you'll find in your standard LinkedIn account. This is the easiest way I find it. You'll see a short description at the top which has groups and some numbers after it. All you need to do is copy that, bring it into the software, paste it into the URL, and hit continue and save. And now what you're doing is you are targeting a filtered list within that group. Thank you for your time. Look forward to making more videos to explain how to outreach more effectively by using BD Messenger. Thank you.